Each event takes hours, so we are talking about thousands of hours invested to create these virtual programs. Now we have our, not just students, but also our scholars are scattered around the world, and our staff is offering different advising sessions at all hours to accommodate students in different time zones. I always see glass is half full, right? We are learning so much from this situation. We will just be so much stronger when this is over. I'm a strong believer that international exposure is a life-changing experience. I mean, I benefited a lot from it. I was exchange student. I benefited from all aspects of international affairs. So now the most rewarding for me is to be in a position to provide such experiences to our students, other students abroad, and also to international scholars.